Hello family, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you another DIY beauty recipe. I'm sorry for this week, late upload. Let's get to today's video. I'm just going to start the video by washing my orange. For this particular video, I just used one medium-sized orange that you've seen in the beginning of the video. I'm then going to go ahead and wipe it with my towel, and then I'm going to go ahead and grate it. I'm going to go ahead and grate the zest out. I'm then going to spread my orange zest on my plate, my large plate right there, and then I'm going to go ahead and dry it in my microwave. You can use the sun to dry it for 3 to 4 days. For me, I chose to dry it on the microwave, and like you can see, my orange zest is dry, you guys. You have to dry this before using it and make sure it's dry. So the reason why I insist on drying your zest before using it, it's because when you're making your serum, you don't want white residue on your serum, so you have to dry your orange zest. Moving on, I'm going to use my carrier oil. I used coconut oil. I added exactly 10 tablespoons to my tiny jar right there. And you have to make sure everything that you're working with is super clean. And like you've seen, I wiped everything up to make sure it's clean. I'm now going to add my orange zest to my carrier oil as shown in the video, and for me, I just added all my orange zest that we grated and dried. And then I'm going to give it a little good mix with my spoon right there, and then I'm going to cover it well and leave it for 24 hours. So you can leave it for 12 hours. And for the carrier oil, you can use olive oil, and for me, like I've said, I used coconut oil, and I used liquid coconut oil. I didn't want to use the other coconut oil that you have to melt and then use it. It's a lot of work, and it will leave a white residue on your serum, and again it will solidify, something like that. So moving on, I'm just going to use my sieve to strain my oil as shown in the video. So I strained my oil after 24 hours, and then right now I'm going to add to it 4 tablespoons of glycerin, and for me, I added 2 tablespoons of aloe vera glycerin and then another 2 tablespoons of pure glycerin. The glycerins that we added are just meant to soothe our oil, since we used orange zest to make our oil. You have to add aloe vera gel or some glycerin to this oil to soothe it, as I've said. After adding my glycerins, I'm then going to just give this mixture a good little mix as shown in the video to make sure my glycerins are mixed together well with my orange oil as shown in the video. So for this part of the video, you can use a whisk or a spoon to mix real quick. And like you can see right now, our vitamin C serum is ready. I'm then going to transfer it to my tiny transparent bottle